Alright gang, we got my 450, we got the duct tape rear tire, we're really going Tokyo drift right now. Let's get it. Whoa, my God. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're gonna be putting duct tape on my YZ450. This thing is about to turn into a drift bike, so let's get it. We're gonna put the duct tape on the rear tire and then start drifting around. So gang, as you see, we got the beautiful 450. This is my 2020 YZ450. But today, we are going to be putting this whole wheel in some duct tape. I've done this on my pit bike where I put duct tape on the rear tire and it was pretty gnarly, like the thing was drifting around. So with the power of the 450 and I got street tires on the back with this duct tape, we are gonna be Tokyo drifting out here, bro. All right, we got the duct tape. Now let's start putting it on the rim and yeah, we're gonna be drifting, bro. It's gonna be fire. And before you guys say anything, yes, I know this is a dumb idea, but in the name of science, we have to test it out. You know, we gotta see. We got like the first layer on, and it looks pretty clean, man. I'm gonna have to start rocking my wheels like this full time. All right, before we hop on the bike and test out this new drift wheel, I wanna show you guys just the wheel because it looks freaking insane. So gang, look at this duct tape wheel, bro. We are really gonna be drifting like Tokyo drift out here. I even tried to cover the sidewalls because I remember last time I did this, like the sidewalls kept ripping off when I did donuts. So we're gonna be hitting some hella donuts with this tire. But enough freaking talking, let's hop on the bike. All right gang, we got my 450, we got the duct tape rear tire, we're really going Tokyo drift right now. Let's get it. All right, so we got my freaking duct tape tire, dude. It's so funny looking, like, just look at that thing. It's so funny. All right, let's see, all right. Let's go, and we off, bro. Dude, I can already feel like the wheels sort of drifted on me. All right, we're at my lot. Yo, look at the back wheel, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see if I can pull up. Oh my God. That sliding, bro. Oh! Dude, it's... Oh my God, it's slippery, bro. We got the police helicopter. Oh, well, we might have the capos on us, bro. But anyways, look at the wheel. Let me turn this off. Look at the wheel real quick, bro. This is off just one little wheel ski and like just taking off. And look how freaking gnarly it's getting already, bro. All right, let's hit some donuts, bro. All right, we're gonna hit some donuts. See, whoa, my gosh. It's a drift machine, bro! Oh my God! Yo, I was really drifting on this. Holy bro, look at the freaking duct tape! It is murking. Yo, to be honest, like, it really ain't too bad. Like, I could just drift while dropping the clutch, watch. Woo! But the bike it still picks up fine, bro. Like, look at that. We're freaking out here, bro. All right, I'm gonna try to hit a donut the other way because that's how my freaking... But like, bro, I still got so much grip, But when I want to do like donuts and drift, it's so much easier. I feel like I'm on a sport bike. As y'all can see, my tire right here from my second GoPro, it is going through it right now, bro. Alright, we're gonna go with the little cruise and see how this freaking duct tape tire handles some speed. Yo, I mean, it literally rides like a completely normal dirt bike when you're going straight. Like when you want to do some turns and stuff, your back's gonna be sliding and drifting around. But when you're just cruising, like, dude, it's a vibe. Alright, let's pull one up real quick. Like, bro, I'm catching so much grip. A little swagged one hand. Let's go. Y'all know the vibe, bro. Big 450. Dude, I love this 450. I forgot how much fun it is. Look, we can just chill 12 o'clock. I mean, dude, just look at it. It's freaking crazy, dog. It looks just so nasty. Alright, let's pull another one out. Even like going fast, this thing is just handling so good. What the hell? Let's head back to the cribbo. Alright, gang, we made it back to the flipping cribbo. The wheel is, yeah, she has gone through it, bro. My like 7 layers that I put on it went through really quick, a lot faster than I expected. But then again, well, what do you expect? You know, we're out here Tokyo drifting. So yeah, if you're wondering, like, you know, how did the duct tape tire hold up for that little set you just had? Well, let's just say she about gone, bro. I got some of the edges still on here. It looks so nasty, bro. Holy crap. Oh my god, I still got a whole freaking side that I didn't even burn yet. I'm gonna have to burn that down real quick. But I mean, overall, like, for a good like 15, 20 minutes, it's fun as hell just be sliding around with the duct tape tire. Like, it's just such a different feeling than you're used to on a dirt bike, because usually it grips all the time. But with this goddamn freaking duct tape tire, it just be sliding, bro. It makes it so fun. Like, I feel like I'm on a sport bike doing my little circle drifts and everything. But no, I'm just on my 450. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was super fun shredding the duct tape tire behind the 450. We'll give her one last look. As you can see, she went through the ringer. But I got some banger videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I freaking love you. Till next time, peace.